Success Resources is bringing together a program, and not just a program, but bringing along the very man himself, Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, and his advisors. What an incredible lineup, and it's going to be an absolute huge hit. So come and meet Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, his advisors. I'm Sandy Jadeja, and together with Success Resources, we look forward to seeing you there.
In the moment of decision, your destinies change, and this is exactly what has happened for me.
It's opened my eyes to the possibility of creating my own financial economy.
My life has changed massively, financially, wealthy, healthy, in all areas.
And if you could imagine having Robert and his team together talking about entrepreneurship, talking about how money is going to be changing, talking about how you could change your lifestyle by educating yourself.
Totally changed my life. Everybody needs this. Everybody needs this. The amount of knowledge and the value I got from the course itself was absolutely amazing.